arrived, so I'm gonna figure out how to uncrate this here because I don't have a crowbar. Out, Steve, I'm not quite sure. This way. Tilt that down a little bit, Jeff.
I'm gonna need to hold this right here to line it up.
We're going to Dirtfish. Yeah, that's what we're going. Probably before paint.
Chipper did a good job. That doesn't always happen.
No, I mean, how many doors did we go through to get one that wasn't damaged? It was packed really well, professionally done.
The rotors on the side, they do a good job. You know what it means? But
I think I know exactly what it was. It was a counterbalance.
Oh.
Because as soon as I cut one of the straps, the whole crate shifted. So I think they did that to keep it from tipping over. No, I'm happy. It's close enough colored.
Yeah.
The gaps line up fairly decent.
And the fenders aren't even bolted in like that.
No, they're just hanging.
So yeah, that looks good.
Yep.
The thing is, this vehicle runs on it. So like that's not an issue. We're just literally putting pieces together to get the systems together, but it physically runs and drives. So it's really not like the that's not anything to fix that. So.
Yep.
Nice.
No way I can mock that up temporarily.